Quick video, guys. Back in the days, here we go, old man talk. Back in the days, you didn't have a whole bunch of problems when you used to buy electronics and whatnot. And when you did, normally you would just take it back to the store, wherever you bought it, Montgomery Ward's, Sears and Roebuck. Yeah, I'm old enough when it was Sears and Roebuck. And I remember when they changed it to just Sears, we was like, what happened to Roebuck? But whatever. Now, you just take it back with your receipt. You know what I mean? They check it. Oh, crap, you right, it don't work. They drag another one out and give it to you, stamp, and your deal would start back over because you got a brand new, or you got another new unit because you paid for a new unit. But now the game then got shady. My Elgato Cam Link. Now, one thing I will say is they did move it pretty fast. Bought a brand new Elgato Cam Link, the 4K one, because you know me, 2160 gang, like Sly said, 2160 gang. And shout out to all my other 2160s out there. You know, C Over and everybody, you know, he a big YouTuber. AM1, yeah, the big YouTuber group. That's so funny. It's a couple other guys too, I can tell just by looking at their stuff that is 4K. But anyway, tell them, it's acting up. Send it to them. I bought it brand new in the box. Wasn't even 2 months old. And it got a year warranty, however many years. Okay, no problem. They emailed me the deal, the return slip. Throw it in the box, send it back. They check it out, say, yeah, it's bad. We're going to send you another one. They send me another one. Zoom, send me another one. I get it, I open it, it's reconditioned. 90-day warranty. I'm like, well, if that was the case, I could have just bought a damn refurbished. I could have bought a refurb. So instead of paying $109 for that brand new one, I could have bought a refurb for $79.99 if that was the case. With a 90-day warranty. I could have bought a refurb with a 90-day warranty. But I bought a brand new one that didn't last 90 days and then got a refurb sent to me. They didn't send me another brand new one. They sent me a refurb. Okay, cool. Another piece of electronic equipment, same thing. It was a equalizer that I had, brand new, full price, no big deal. Just out of the blue, the low pass filter stopped working. You figure, well, ain't no big deal. Just turn, roll off the last three, the lower octaves, your 50, your 75, you're not, no, that's not how it's supposed to work, because the low pass filter is sloped. If you put it on the oscillator, the meter, and look at anyway. Now, and plus, I bought a brand new equalizer. Contact the manufacturer. They like, yeah, okay, yup. And I tell them what it's doing. They say, yup, send it back. I had to pay. They send a authorization return slip, but I still had to pay for the shipping. It wasn't much, but still, that's not the point. And so I send it back. They send me an email. We've received it. Our tech is checking it out. No problem. The same day that they said the tech is checking it out, PCB is bad. So that's the board. That's the board that the circuits plug into, switches and circuits plug into, capacitors and whatnot. Said the PCB was bad, and some capacitor and some bank filter bank, which ain't nothing but capacitors for resistance to slope the octave up or down however they want it, or mid-range bandpass. It'll slope down on this end, down on this end, and leave the middle part alone. That's a bandpass, mid-range. No problem. Send it back to me. It's fixed. Send it back. Comes back, paperwork in it. It's been fixed. You got a 90-day warranty. 90 days? Here we go again. So now this was a different manufacturer. This wasn't my Elgato Cam Link. This was a DBX unit. And I remember when DBX used to be made in the United States. I got some DBX equipment that I done bought in the 80s and it still worked. I mean, just my subharmonic synthesizer, my was it I think it's called 1215 or 1521 or something like that. Equalizers I got, those still work. My old compressors still work. I got a ton of DBX equipment that's 89 and older. I mean, a lot. It still works. But that's when it was made in the United States. It wasn't made over there with Sly's boy. Hello. Is this a Nika Taylor? Yeah, I need to talk to a Super Sly. Then you need to call Sly phone. Don't be calling my phone asking for no Sly. What you say? You try to get the slick at the mouth? Click. Hang up on Sly. Call your boy back. Tell him stop calling my damn phone. I better cut it out before I see the Chinese version of a Suburban pull up on my ass. It better be bulletproof. But anyway, send it back 90 days. Now wait a minute. This thing is brand new. It's brand new. I'm supposed to have a 2-year warranty, 3-year warranty, something like that. Now, granted, it was a year and some change. Well, it was a year and some change. You're missing the point. So now I done went from a year, it's a year old. So instead of y'all saying, okay, we done fixed it, you had it a year, you got a year left. That ain't what they do. That ain't what they do. You done lost that year and they give you 90 days. Man, this some bull right here. And while I was waiting on that Elgato Cam Link, I bought an AverMedia 4K. AverMedia 4K, and I gave it a swing because I got a AverMedia card inside my computer. And I figure, okay, well, let me get a Cam Link because I ain't want to do a pass through, then back through, and I ain't want to do all that. So when some stuff that I do that I don't upload here, it goes to other places, some recording I do when I switch between cameras. Because I got the one that y'all see at me, and I got another camera behind me where you can see both of my computer monitors and whatnot. And so it's easier to do it that way when the only thing I can do is switch it at the click of a mouse in OBS. And yeah, so I got an AverMedia, plugged it in, it's humming, humming along, not humming as in making noise. It works fine, crystal clear picture. That's what y'all been looking at on mine when I'm on, when you see me do my videos and whatnot online. I got one coming up now on 9/11, the connection between 9/11 and the X-Files. That one's coming up here in a few minutes. The only thing I gotta do is put the intro, outro, and music on it, and then I can throw it in the blender and put it up. That's all I got left on there. All the heavy lifting has been done. So they sent it back. I ain't even plug it in. And AverMedia. The Elgato, I didn't even plug it in. When I opened the box and I saw it said the refurb, I closed the box and I put it on the shelf. But the DBX, I put it back in line. It works fine. But I still say that's garbage. You know, that's garbage. And so I guess they didn't learn from the automotive world how to do that, because I had a Super Duty back in the day. I bought it brand new. This was in the 90s when I was buying my F450s. The F550 wasn't out yet. Then when the F550 started coming out, that's when I started getting them. Them the ones we put the goosenecks on the haul equipment stuff with. And truck had warranty. One of them started running like crap. Took it to the Ford dealer. They said, yeah, the harness is out for the fuel injectors. And the harness, and it shorted out so bad that it screwed up 2 injectors. Okay. All right. Well, the harness is under warranty, but the injectors ain't. Here we go. Fix the truck, man. They fix the truck, pick it up, 90-day warranty. I'm like, now wait a minute. Well, 90-day warranty on the parts that we replaced. But I bought the 5-year unlimited warranty thing. Yeah, but that covers that. And that's on the new stuff, sir. That's not the warranty on the replacement parts. I said, so what you trying to tell me is the parts y'all put on in 4 months, if it take a crap, I gotta pay for it. They said, yeah, because you out of warranty. I said, but if that was the original part, then I would still have yeah, that's right. So the part y'all put on is worse than the part that came from the factory? No, these are authorized, certified Ford, authentic Ford parts. So why don't they have the same, if it's the exact same part that comes on the truck when it rolls down the assembly line, that's y'all put on the exact replacement for it. Well, the aftermarket, I said it's not aftermarket. Yeah, but they source things from different, I don't care. Is it the same part or not? Is that the exact same harness that I can get when it rolled down the assembly line or not? He said, yes. I said, then why is it only 90 days? Sir, that's the way that, okay, it's an F game, y'all. You're getting they popping you right in the ass. So, like I say, electronics didn't used to be like that. But now I guess they done took their cues from the automotive world, and now they're doing that. So I had a 5-year warranty Elgato Cam Link that lasted 2 months, and I send it back, and now they send me a refurbished one that got a warranty of 90 days. Make that make sense. Bye.